In this video, I would like to illustrate a demonstration, a video regarding on how to navigate the upgraded DSA. Why upgraded? Because the previous versions about there are two workbooks of DSA, POS and inventory. POS and inventory are separate workbooks, but yet it is linked now. But this upgraded DSA is already, the two workbooks are in one workbook already. So let's start. Now, what I do is I will open this. This is for upgraded. Okay, let's enter, then password, my password. Okay. So, here in main, if we tap here the product list, it shows no data found. It is blank because there are no recorded products yet. And in here in products, it is still empty. So if you are going to product list, still empty. Now, these sheets can be hidden, and only 3 important sheets are available when we hide all the other sheets, because there are 14 sheets that is being hidden here. Because the total is 14 plus 3, 17, it cannot accommodate here, and it's not easy to navigate if all sheets, the other sheets, the 14 sheets will not be hidden. So I hide it. Now, if it is needed, we are just going to select by tapping the show sheets, okay? Now, since our product list is empty, we should start here. Now, how? We go back to main sheet, then show sheets, then let's add 1 and number 5. 1, 5, then enter. Then these are already the input area for products and item. Now, first, to enter the product, I have already prepared other Excel. This is a plain Excel, and I name it product list. What we are going to do is just copy the product list that we have here, or you can add, then right after copy, then we are going to select item and products. Okay, for products, paste. Okay, unlock. Then we have to go back with item, copy, minimize, paste. So we have already the products. So if we are going to go here in inventory dashboard sheet, if you are going to top product list, products are already available. Close. In main, still blank, no data. So what we are going to do, we have to paste it here. Okay, we have to go back to product list, copy, then here, unlock to input, unlock. Oh, go back again. And paste. Okay. So the products are already here. And what we are going to do is to generate barcode. And we have already a barcode for our products. Now, if we go to main, product list is already available here. So that's how easy our navigation on adding products in our system. Now, to start, since we have already our products here, if there is a delivery of products, we are going to top product list. What type of product? For example, amoxicillin 500 cup. Then you have to put the DR number. The DR number is 1, for example, 00012. Okay, or number 12. Then you have to put, a very important is the batch number. For example, the batch number is A100. Then expiry is 10/2026. Then, for example, let us not use by box, but we are going to use by pieces. So, for example, box is 100 in one box, and the delivery is 5 boxes, so we are going to put 500 pieces. Then the sales clerk, Jane. Then what is a comment? Example, fast moving. Then we have to add the stocks. And if we add the stocks, it appears here in storage area. Now, the quantity is already 500. And for example, there is another product that will be added here with the same information. For example, same product, amoxicillin, then the DR number will be 13. Let's just say still A100. Then the expiry date is 10/2026. The same information, and the quantity is 100. So the sales clerk is fun. The comments is fast moving. It depends. So if you are going to add the stocks from 500, it is merged. It is already 600. Now, the other thing is we have to show sheets for the delivery history. Number 6. Let's enter. We can see the delivery history, and here is the delivery history. The first delivery is 500, and the other one is 100. With that, in this storage, this is a running balance. For example, let's say product list. Number 1, amoxicillin, and here you have a sold out of 21 pieces. Shopping basket, here you can see. Now, type of payment, cash payment, you have 200 pesos cash, the change is 82.4. Okay? Now, if you are going to submit sales, okay, now, when we submitted the sales, our receipt is running. We forgot to put the sales clerk, for example, van. We forgot to put the sales clerk. Now, since from 600 product, from the 600 delivery, we try to look for what is the status of the stocks, because the product ID is 1, and you can see here is 579. 21 has been deducted to the storage. Okay, let's see storage, and here it's 579, and that 21 pieces has been deducted to 579, and our delivery history still the same. Now, this is the beauty of our system. Now, if we add another stocks, for example, the same product, amoxicillin, and the DR is 14, and let's say the batch number is not anymore A100 but A200, and expiry is 10, for example 11, let's say 25 to 026 or 2025. It's near expiry, and it's 100 pieces, and the sales clerk is Ryan. Comments near expiry. Okay, we add stocks. Since it has a different information, different batch number and different expiry date, the product is not added, but it has a different row in storage, and in delivery history you can see it here. Now the information. Now if we go back to dashboard, for example, we are going to search for the expiry. Search expiry is below 6 months. So you have search complete products expiring within 6 months are listed in search 6 months expiry. So to look for that information, we are going to show sheets number 11, search 6 months expiry. So 11, enter, and you can see here search 6 months expiry, and it's already here. We have a 100 pieces near expiry. So that's the beauty. And the next thing is, if there are things that we are going to withdraw, for example, you need to withdraw a certain product, you have to enter the ID, for example, number 1, then the batch number. What is the batch number? Very important. Okay, what is the batch number for that? I have to clarify here in storage. The batch number is A200. Okay, number 1, A200. Okay, number 1, then batch number is A200, then what is the expiry date for that? Is 11/25 to 25. 11/25 to 25. Then the quantity, we're just going to withdraw 50 pieces. So skirt is Joanna. Comments expiry. Okay, so we have to tap withdraw. Once we tap withdraw, okay, it's 1, then the batch number is 8200. Enter quantity, it's 50. Enter clerk number, Joanna. Enter comments is near expiry. Okay. Warning. Item near expiry 11/25 to 25. Okay. So we have to go to, I have to hide other sheets, and I will show sheets with the withdrawal number 8. Since we withdraw 50 pieces, we have to enter number 8. Okay, withdrawal, and it's here. We have withdrawn 80 pieces. And from that 80 pieces, if you are going to look for the expiry, you can see it is deducted from the near expiry 50 pieces. So, next is stocks payment. For example, for stocks payment, enter product ID, for example, number 1, or if you don't want to, because there is a bulk item in one DR, you can escape product ID, just enter and directly put the DR. For example, the DR is 14. Okay, and you have to input the issued OR from the supplier. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, enter amount, how much? For example, it's 250 pesos. Okay, and it's already in the, if you're in the sheet of, okay, we hide sheet, paid items, number 10. We look for number 10. So, it's here. The amount is 250, OR number, near expiry, total, quantity, the price. This is the product that we have paid. If you are going to search these products, you can use this search add stocks, search add stocks, search near expiry, search expiry. Okay, you can search withdrawal or search paid items. So if you are going to delete also this one, you can. That's how to clear inputs. And if now here, if you are going to toggle graph, this toggle graph is the top 20 products sold out in the last 24 hours. You have the toggle graph, and you can see the sold out products here. That's how. This is a 24 hours. Every 24 hours it will auto refresh, meaning it starts from 12 midnight. Then it will auto calculate back to zero in the next 11:59 p.m. So for another new transaction. So you have already this information regarding on how to navigate the system of the upgraded DSA. Thank you, and don't forget to follow and subscribe.